So the WPL LCG build, it is starting to look really, really good. So I swapped out the MN86 tires and I put these RC four-wheel drive mudslingers on. It did raise the truck up just a little bit, but that's okay because I made it a little bit longer and I added some longer links to the front and to the back. I have it stretched out as far as these drive shafts will let it be stretched. And then I switched these shocks. These are 90 millimeter shocks now because I have a longer length here in the front and the back. So I had 70s on and I switched it with the 90s, and I actually flipped them upside down because I want the shock body to be at the lower side. So that way I can mount it to the shock mount a little bit easier. And also I have more weight closer to the axle. So that'll lower the center of gravity. That's all that I did to it. The only thing is now when I turn, it does rub the body when I turn. So I am gonna chop some more of this away just to make the hood a little bit more narrow so these tires don't hit the body anymore. But I love the way it looks. And now let's take it out because I wanna go crawling with this to see if these tires help. If you remember in any of my other videos, those MN86 tires just did not give a lot of grip, but these, I can feel how tacky these are, and I'm hoping that we can do a little bit more crawling with this. So let's go. Oh, that's already a huge improvement over the MN86 tires. I wasn't even able to get it up this high. It's trying. It's only using 3 wheels too. Look at that twist. All right, well, let's see how good it does on the rocks.